Hello, technical writers. This is Sean. I'm going to be going over the reader analysis today using the Roger Boisjoly memo. Now, if you have not done so already, I would suggest you pause the video and go download the memo on the prior page of this book. This is the reader analysis grid we will be working with the rest of this class. So, as you can see, we have 4 readers that we're looking at. In technical writing, you don't just have one audience you need to worry about. So let me go through the readers. The primary readers are the ones the document is actually being addressed to. The secondary readers are the advisors to the primary readers. Tertiary readers are other interested parties or stakeholders. And the gatekeepers, like the name suggests, are the ones who dictate or make the final decision on what information is released and when. Now, going through this, I'm going to be covering the needs of all of the readers, the values of all the readers, then the attitudes of all the readers. That way, we'll be able to compare and contrast what they have in common and what is different between the different readers. Now, for the readers, the primary reader for this memo is R.K. Lund, who's the Vice President of Engineering at Morton Thiokol. The secondary readers, and these on the memo are the ones who were CC'd. They are the engineering colleagues, the members of the team that Roger Boisjoly was working on. Tertiary readers are outside stakeholders, which of course is the coordinating team at NASA, since that's who have contracted this engineering firm. The gatekeepers are Morton Thiokol themselves. This is the engineering firm. They are going to be the final deciders on what information gets released and when. To begin, let's look at the needs of these 4 groups of readers. First, R.K. Lund, who's the vice president, he really needs an efficient engineering design team working under him. He wants somebody he can count on. Now, the team of engineers, they want team players who work well together. They want to be able to count on their colleagues. NASA, on the other hand, really want high quality, low cost, successful launches. They want to be able to rely on the quality of the product, but also come in under budget. Finally, Morton Thiokol is really interested in making a profit for their stockholders. So as you can see, all of them are really focused on efficiency, quality, but there's some monetary incentives for some of the readers as well. Now for the values, we're going to find a lot of commonality. Again, the vice president, he wants the project to be completed on time and within budget. Same with the engineering colleagues. They want that project done on time and within budget. So does NASA. However, NASA has an additional value of successful space exploration because they are a public agency, a government agency, so they have a very public face that people are watching. Likewise, Morton Thiokol, while they still want the project completed on time and within budget, they really want to hang on to that good reputation of being efficient, because having that reputation means more contracts and means more profit for their stakeholders or their stockholders. The attitudes among the 4 readers are a little different. The vice president is a very busy man. He wants to know just what he absolutely has to know and nothing more. He may not want to be bogged down in details. The engineering team wants each member to know the role they have to play and to be able to do their job very well. NASA lives in a political climate. Their high-profile success determines their future funding. And Morton Thiokol has high-profile results lead to more contracts, whether they're from NASA or they're from the military or another government agency. They like being high profile because that means more business. So that is basic breakdown of all of the reader analysis. This is how the completed grid would look. So I would pause this video and really take a look at how this is put together.